Mot sa, much, vle di anpil. Men gen fason nou itilize la vek lot mo, li vin gen yon signifikasyon diferan. Nou pral kouvri kek la dan yo. Hey girl, what's up? Not much. Just getting some work done. You? Not much. Anpil fwa, lò moun mè do moun, sak pase, sak regle, e ka di not much. Pa anpil, pa yon tou interesan. Nothing much. I was about to go for a walk. You wanna come? Ou ka tade sa tou, nothing much. Pa yon vreman. As much as I would like to, I can't. I don't feel so good and I have so much work to do. As much as, autant que. Li vle di tou, pou vale. As much as, pou vale mta reme ali, pou vale mta reme fe tel bagay. As much as I would like to. What's wrong? My stomach hurts. I bet it's because you eat too much sugar. Too much. Trop. Too much. No, it's not. And I don't eat that much sugar. Yes, you do. You eat so much sugar. I'm surprised you don't feel much worse. You're not helping.